In this video, I'm going to show you how you can choose good products on WarriorPlus that convert well and products that can make you the most amount of money. Now, choosing the right product is crucial, and there's a lot of things that you want to look out for when choosing products to promote on WarriorPlus. There are many different factors to consider, and I'm going to walk you through them right now. So the first thing you're going to see when you log into WarriorPlus, you're going to see your WarriorPlus dashboard, and this is a good place to start because here you can see the top converting products today, yesterday, in the last 7 days, and also the last 30 days. Now, realistically, you can choose one of these products here to try and promote. Now, if you were to click on a product, so if we were just to go to this one here, it's not going to open up the product page, it's actually going to open up the sales page. So what we want to do, we want to go ahead and close the sales page, and if we wanted to check this product here, we want to copy the name of the product, and you then want to go to the affiliate section and then go to offers. Now, if you wanted to search for that specific offer to see if it's a viable offer that you want to promote, you would go and paste in the title here. You can click search, and here you can see the product's backend. So you can see that this product is made by a top 1% vendor, which is something to look out for when you're choosing products. Does the vendor have any awards? Does the product have any awards? And you can see the vendor has 5 featured offers, which I think that means that the vendor has 5 products which have made it to the homepage. So you can see some more information. You've got the release date of the product. You've got the sales, which is 3,000 plus, which is always a good sign. You've then also got things like the conversion rate, the visitor value, and the average sale to take in mind. Now, one thing to note here, under refund rate, we've got an 8% refund rate. Now, an 8% refund rate on a product like this is actually pretty high. So if I was you, I wouldn't promote products which have a 5 or more refund rate. I've promoted products in the past and it had an 11% refund rate, and it might make you more money, but in the long term, people will refund and your account will go into minus. So realistically, choose a product which has a low refund rate. Obviously, there are some exceptions. Now, let's say you were just wanted to browse around the main offers page. Here, you're going to see some of the best converting offers. So let's say we wanted to check out this one here, the breakout code. You can see they've sold 3,000 plus. The conversion rate is really high at 16%, and they have a really low refund rate. So this could be a good product to promote. Top 1% vendor. So let's take a look. So if we go and click on the product, if they have a picture behind the product, it's just nice to know who's actually made the product. If you scroll down here, you can see the price range. So you've got $12.95 to $197. This is important because some products, they don't have that many upsells. But if you have a big range of commission you can earn here, it just shows you that the product has a lot of upsells, so there's more potential for you to earn money. Again, 2% refund rate. And what you want to do, you want to go to the products page. And here it's going to show you all of the different upsells this product offers. So the initial price is going to be $12.95. And we're going to get here 100% commission on the initial sale. We've then got multiple upsells where we're going to get 50% commission. So always go into the back end and look at what commission you're going to be getting and how many upsells there are. So you can see there's an upsell here for 197. This one here is a trial. And if it has this reoccurring symbol here, it means it's a reoccurring payment. If you wanted to check the funnel map here, you can check that. And it will show you here kind of like these in action. So you've got the main product. It's then going to upsell you to this. If you buy this, then it's going to upsell you this. If you don't buy this, it's going to downsell you this, and so on. So basically, to summarize, choose a product which doesn't have a high refund rate. Check how many sales have been made. If it's a top 1 or top 5% vendor, you're probably good to go and promote it. If you start going ahead and searching for different keywords, so if I search YouTube here, and I wanted to promote a YouTube product, I would have to be really picky and really look at these stats, because obviously these products don't have that many sales, so things like the conversion rate and the refund rate might not be refined yet. This one here is really good, 1% refund rate, 9% conversion, they've sold 3,000. So always look for awards, look for a low refund rate, and just use a bit of common sense on if you want to go and promote that product to your audience. So that's all from me. I hope that video was helpful. Make sure you leave a like, and I'll see you all in the next one.